Everybody, this is Diane with Crafting with Fury. Hope each and every one of you are safe and healthy no matter where you are. I am here with my design team package from Queenacraft, and I will leave all of their links down below and all of the products that I got. And super excited, guys, super excited. And don't forget that if you use my code Diane, you can save 10% on your next order. So let's see what they sent. They always do this beautiful after service card to where you can contact them. And look, normally they will send you a little notebook, and I use these all the time. They are perfect right by where you're crafting and where you can write measurements down, and when you're crafting. Can you tell? I've been crafting. So let's get in here. The first die that I have is this Christmas Bells die set. Super cute, guys. Super cute. And it's actually got a shadow layer and a Christmas bell, and then got the words Merry Christmas. And this is a good sized die. It's like 2 3/8 by 2 1/8, and then the Merry Christmas is 3 by 1 3 or 1 7. Let's see, 1 3/4. Yeah. So this is the Christmas Bells die set. Super cute. Gonna have to start shifting my crafting from my beloved Halloween to Christmas. And this right here is the Loving Christmas Deer die. And super cute. Look how pretty this is, guys. It says Merry Christmas, and it's got these 2 bucks with a heart right in the middle. And it is 4 1/8 by 2 3/8. Pretty die. Love it. And this is a Christmas tree die. Look how cute. Let's see how big this is. It is, ooh, this might be perfect for an ATC, an artist trading card. It is 3 3/8 by 2 3, almost 2 3/4. So I would probably, for this to fit on an ATC, that's what I'm going to do with this one. You may just have to trim it a little bit, but would that not be perfect for a Christmas ATC, an artist trading card? Mine's already going crazy. And yes, they come out with this Halloween paper, and I had to get it. So let's look at this. I'm going to get in here and let's look at the pages you get. It's a 6 by 6. There's 2 sheets a piece. Oh, look how pretty. Oh, how cute. And I love the old vintagey look of it. Oh, that's cute. Love it, love it. Ooh, that would be perfect fall. Oh my goodness. Look at them little happy skeletons. And then there's a witch and then a spider and the tombstone. Cute. Okay, I love these. Pretty for fall. Look how cute that is, guys. I love these. Trick or treat, full moon, terrifying, haunting, boo. Cute. Halloween. Look at these little happy skeletons. Oh my word, these are adorable. Look at those cute little flowers and leaves. Those are probably little pumpkins. And Starry Night, that would be perfect for any mixed media. And then some pumpkins. Oh, love that. Can't wait to play with them. Alrighty, so there's my paper. And this is a Christmas ball Bells die set. Oh, look how pretty that is, guys. Got the Christmas ornaments here. Oh, that is so pretty. So let's see. 5 by, let's see, 3 1/4. So that's a good size die. Ooh, that's pretty. That'll make a pretty card. So got that. Ooh, they got new bags. Ooh, look how cute. And see, guys, the bags that they put these in, all you have to do is take off these stickers and you can reuse these. Look at those holographic bags. Oh, those are cute. All right, so let's get in here. And this is the flower arch die. Look how cute that is. You could put a word, sentiment, or anything in the middle there. Oh, look how cute. And this is 3 1/4 by 4. That's pretty. All kinds of stuff you could put in the middle of this die set, or this flower arch die. Love those bags. That's pretty. And here is some cat sequins. I use cat sequins all the time. Come on. My hands are not working this morning. But anyway, you can see the cats right there. So there's some cat sequins. And you knew it. I had to have some Halloween. And these are some new Halloween dies they come out with. And they're called Halloween Mini Tiara dies. Look how cute. And there comes in a set of 3. I'm trying to think. When I seen these, I thought, what can I make with these? There is a fence that's got a cat, and they're 5 1/8 by almost an inch. And then there's some pumpkins, and they could almost be like a little belly band or something. Hey, belly band, huh? And this one's 5 1/8 and almost 7/8. And then there's this cute spider web, and it is 4 3/4 by 1 3/8. Yep, 1 3/8. Oh, those are cute. And they've got like little hose right here, so I bet you can like wrap them around. That's gonna be fun. And this is a little extra that they sent me. Thank you so much. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And let's see what they sent. Oh, look at these. Excuse me. These Christmas ornaments. They're wooden. Oh, those are cute. That's adorable. I love that. Ooh, look. Ribbon. Look at this Christmas ribbon, and look at this trim down here. Oh, that is so cute. I will be using that for sure. Ooh, look at this. Oh my goodness. This is a pumpkin die. And it's like got flowers and all these filigree in it. Oh, that's pretty. Oh, I love that. So this is like 4 1/8 by like 2 7/8 almost. Oh, that's a pretty die. So see, you could use this for Halloween or fall. That's pretty. All right. So let's see. Why is it you can get things out, but you have a hard time getting back in? Because you know that they got in there to start with. Crazy. Ooh, and this is a Merry Christmas die and with a shadow. Love these kind of dies. It says Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays. And it looks like the shadow is like 2 3/4 by 1 1/4. And then the Merry Christmas one is 2 7/8 by 1 1/4. And so the words, you will cut those out separately and you will just lay them on there. So you will definitely be seeing these. How fun. Oh, I love those. And here are some, ooh, these are some Christmas, they look almost like tags. Oh, how neat. This is a stamp, guys. Look at that. This is a Christmas stamp. Like a rubber stamp, and then you can stamp these little tags. That's cool. Oh, I love that. How fun. How fun. My crafting days are set. Oh, I love that. So stinking cute. And we'll put it back in there later. Ooh, and here is some stamps. I'm trying to stamp more. Here is some beautiful leaf stamps. Super cute. For mixed media. Oh, and these are perfect for mixed media. Look at these big old numbers. And they've got like, looks like little bubbles. These are like vintage. Just absolutely gorgeous. Thank you. Oh, and look at these stamps. Oh, it's got these blocks. Oh, how neat. And it says, with happy thoughts. Got this branch and these flowers. And it says, happy, shine, give yourself time. Cool. Thank you, Queenacraft. I love it. And I will get started on my projects. And I hope you guys will go check them out. Like I said, I will leave their link and all the products down below. And don't forget, if you use Diane, you'll save 10%. Thank you so much for stopping by. May God bless each and every one of you, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.